Hi, welcome on DanceBook.
My name is Alex and this is my partner Daria. Today we're preparing choreography for Dirty Dancing movie, Time of My Life.
Hi, welcome on DanceBook on our first lesson, Dirty Dancing Choreography. So, here we go.
My name is Alex, here Daria, and today we're going to do Dirty Dancing style choreography, Time of My Life, Dirty Dancing movie, yeah? And I would like to begin with steps, what we're going to most of everything use. Yeah, this salsa, merengue style steps. Yeah, basics. We're going to 3 general steps study, first of all, yeah? And there we go with choreography. So let's start. Okay, let's start from the basic step, yeah? We do 1 step front, pam, pam, together. And we change the leg. We have left leg. Now we have right leg. Back. Back and together. Yeah? So we do step, come back, together. Back, front, together. Front, back, together. Back, front, together. Yeah? How this with counts? We do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. One more time for you remember. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah? You always have to do ta ta ta. Ta, ta, ta. Like you come back, you go front, middle, back, middle. Yeah? Now, second variation of step, just back. Yeah? The same style. We do beginning from left leg, left together, yeah. Mm-hmm. And we do back and this. Like little bit can be diagonal, yeah, for be better difference. So we do diagonal together, diagonal together, diagonal together, diagonal
yes,
together.
So here we also have something like when we start on left leg, left step, right, come back, and right step, come back, and pam, pam, hop, and pam, pam, hop, and pam, pam, hop, and pam, pam, hop.
Now let's do this with counts, yeah, with numbers. We do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, you have to remember we have like 1 step, 3 counts, yeah, we do 1 and 2, yeah, 3 counts, like 1 and 2. Or the same when we dance front and back, 1 and 2.
So step, step, close.
Yeah. Step, step, close. Everywhere. And the last version, what we're going to use in our choreography match,
side
this
to side.
Side to side. Let's begin the same. Left side, we always begin to left. Again, yeah, just side. Pam, pam, together. Pam, pam, together. Pam,
left,
pam.
right.
Yeah,
right, left,
left,
center. Pam, pam, center. Tam, tam, center. Pam, pam, hop.
Yeah, you do like point, point. Yeah, like step, step, tam. Step, step, tam. Step, step, pam.
Pam, pam, hop.
Yeah, like Daria said, we always have step, step together in every what we dance, yeah?
Every part.
Yeah, now let's do with numbers. Begin to left. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah? This we study just the basic steps. Now I would like to put little flavor to these steps for they more look dancing, yeah? Our hips
Yes.
in all these steps.
Yes, and we need these steps in all our choreography. So these steps is really, really important.
Yeah. So now let's all these 3 steps doing in with our flavor. Yeah,
Yes.
hips.
More fluid.
Yeah, fluid. We like 8, you know, we always making in this movement.
Hip action.
Actions.
Like just one hip, second one, second
So
one.
let's front to pick how this look, doing in with hips.
And we
Yeah,
show
not
back.
just steps. We one time do to you,
And
all 3 versions and back.
back. Mhm.
Yeah. So
Ready?
first version from left.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we
And
do
1
and 2 and
and
hips. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
And back.
Now just back. Yeah.
Left.
And you two, sorry, one moment. You two can use your arms. Yeah, help for they not blockade you. More
Just-
dancing. How you comfortable.
Yeah,
Yeah,
how
try
you come on just
dance.
on street.
Enjoy it.
Here
Yeah.
is the same action. Your arms
Yeah.
just
Pop, pop, pop.
working natural all
Yeah.
the time.
Back steps. And from left. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Super. And now let's
to
do
side.
side to side. Yeah?
Left.
To left. And 1 and 2,
Here also this
3 and 4,
number 8.
5 and 6, 7 and 8. More simple if you can't concentrate in 8, side to side, you can just like hip side do.
Ba,
Yeah?
ba.
Side, side, boom. Side, side, boom. Side, side, boom. Of course, better if you can turn. Yeah?
This.
Like,
Your hip like that.
yeah. Okay? Let's do back,
Little faster maybe.
faster. Yeah? All 3 versions. Go. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Sides. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Oh, I do side to side. Okay, sorry.
It's
Now
okay.
back. Yeah, now back. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah? Now we study our steps, what we're going to most of everything use in choreography. Yeah?
Yes, if you do these steps, I think you are ready on our choreography.
Yeah?
So,
Thank you for
you.
first lessons. See you in next lesson.